Beautiful blue sky, low humidity. Great day to cut another hole in the van. So I'm gonna install the Maxxfan fan today. So let me get some tools and get on it. Okay, so down center point, and it's a 14-inch square hole I'm going to drill for the fan, and so now I have the template ready for it. So it's just a matter of getting a pilot hole, a place where the drill bit can go, and staying just inside this line. Cutting four sides to a square, so it should be pretty straightforward. Here goes this thing. 14-inch square hole cut. A couple little places I can file, and then I'll paint this metal, clean up this top, shavings and so forth, and then the next step is to prepare the surface for the fan to adhere to the ceiling. So first part done. A little cleanup before I go into the second part. Well, there's my new skylight, which is the hole for the Maxxfan fan. Okay, got this bracket or spacer. I'm gonna go up top and put this on. Alright, let's climb this ladder. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. And look what's on the roof. Yeah, I stopped videotaping because it was just too much to handle running the camera and everything. I still need to do the lap sealing around it and tighten some screws, but it's in place. It's not hooked up yet to the electricity. Let's look at it from another angle. Inside, we have the fan, the wiring, which will eventually be connected, and you can manually close it or open it if you don't have power. So that's it from the inside, and of course I got all the trim work and everything to do. So that's the inside. And here we are from the rear of the van. And there it is, closed. A little bit of a side view, rear view. So that's the fan now installed. I've got the fan installed, and I have the wiring. I have a Battleborn battery, just a simple hookup to test this fan. In my hand here I have a remote control, so let's start by turning this fan on. So I have it set at about 50% on the fan speed, and it's taking the air out. I can raise the speed. There it is, full speed, and I can lower it. That's half speed. I can even go lower. So nice to have a remote control for the fan, and it's good to see that it does work. So all I've got to do now is finish the inside trim, and it's all good to go.